Yeah, si Risa Hontiveros nandiyan.
Sino, Pastor?
Si yung kaibigan natin. Gusto ko imbitahan ko siya dito eh.
Ang tanong ko pupunta.
Oh. May pag-uusapan kaming magandang batas.
Yan.
Na dapat kung may asawa ka, huwag ka na magpuan sa iba.
Hindi na ako makuha. Wanted? Ito kayo dito. Warrant of arrest. Sure na yan. FBI mo kaya kayo. Patuloy din ako mga dito. Ay, hindi pwede.
Sinubukan pa tayong linlangin ng abogado niya na si Attorney Topacio at tinawag pa na fake news. Pero si Kibuloy na din umamin. Kibuloy himself confirmed that he authorized the release of these conditions in a gikan sa masa para sa masa event with vloggers.
Kaya hinamon ko siya, 17 ang hamon ko sa iyo, 17 conditions. Harapin mo yan. Kung di mo maharap yan, magdebate tayong dalawa. Wala dyan sa iyong court. Ang court mo kasi, nakatali ang kamay ng tao dyan eh. Parang boxing, pumunta ka, nakatali ang kamay. Kung basketball naman, kami sumusunod sa rules. Kayo walang rules. Tinatakbo niyo yung bola sa gusto niyo. Walang dribble, wala kayong foul.
Kangaroo court po.
Doon naman sa boxing, siya ang boxer, siya ang referee, siya pa rin ang judge. Oh.
Siya panalo.
Siya ang panalo.
Pastor, may press con si si Senator.
This level of mockery
Kaya hinamon ko siya, 17 ang hamon ko sa iyo, 17 conditions. Harapin mo yan. Kung di mo
Conditions for 17. Kasi parang tinatakot ako ni Montiveros na ayaw, tapos dito ako sila sa social media na parang nanonood yan, parang kung di ka magano o i-invoke, i-contempt, and you will be arrested by the kaya napilitan ako na magbigay ng 17 condition. Ang primero, noong primero pa itong bukas, sinabi ko na sa kanila, those are criminal allegations. They are not supposed to be heard there in the Senate. Diretso ka na doon sa fiscal kasi meron naman kayang mga affidavit yan sinabi mo. Doon na yan, huwag na dito, because you are overlapping the judiciary functions and powers of the judiciary. You are not the judge. Number one, ayaw kong matapos because you are not a judge. It should be in there. Sa pinilit niya, kasi parang makilas na nila siya dito, invoking his power there. So, nabigyan ko ng 17 conditions.
This level of mockery of a constitutional exercise of duty by a committee of the Philippine Senate is unprecedented and disturbing, and further confirms Kibuloy's undue refusal to appear before the committee pursuant to Section 18 of the Senate Rules. Considering all these, once again, I request for the Senate President to issue an arrest order against Apollo C. Kibuloy. He must show up. He must respect the institution of the Senate. Sa mga kasamahan ko sa Senado, huwag nating hayaan maliitin niya ang ating iniingatang institusyon. Kung hindi pa tayo manindigan sa kanyang tahasang pambabastos sa Senado, ewan ko na kung saan tayo pupulutin ito.
Okay, open time for questions. Sino pong...
Kung sumabaybay siya sa aming pagdinig, ilang beses ko din pong inulit-ulit yung mga areas for additional legislation na lumilitaw dahil sa mga paratang sa kanya. Pero uulitin ko ulit, Kasi medyo mahaba pa naman ang pasensya ko. The hearing surfaced potential gaps in legislation, including the question of consent in rape and sexual abuse in the context of secretive religious organizations, secretive charismatic religious organizations, the treatment of religious volunteers in labor and occupational safety laws, and liabilities for human trafficking and other capital crimes when religious freedom is invoked. Proposed Senate Resolution number 884 actually mentioned with specificity the legislative purpose of the investigation and the desired reforms in our human trafficking laws. Pangalawa, on whether or not the resolution is incriminatory and violates the due process of respondent. Again, we never claim to be the judge. Hindi po hukom ang Senado. A Senate resolution has no effect and force of law and can make no such legal determination of guilt, nor deprive anyone, including Quiboloy, of life, liberty, or property as a result of its material averments or findings. Dagdag pa, written and oral reports of legislators, including proposed Senate resolutions, in the course of our duties, are protected speech and can, by their nature, be incendiary and provocative. Pangatlo, on whether or not the proper forum to hear the controversies surrounding the respondent is a court of law. Nagrule na po ang Korte Suprema tungkol sa katulad na issue. In the 2009 case of Romero et al. Versus Estrada and Senate Committee on Labor and Employment, the Supreme Court said that despite the pendency of a criminal or administrative case, the Senate is allowed to conduct an inquiry in aid of legislation and very clearly held that, quote, the court has no authority to prohibit a Senate committee from requiring persons to appear and testify before it in connection with an inquiry in aid of legislation in accordance with its duly established rules of procedure, close quote. Duly published rules of procedure. At pang-apat, on the propriety of setting aside the contempt order. Quiboloy is already in contempt. Hindi na po mababago iyan. Nagkaroon ng objection, pinagbigyan alinsunod sa rules. Pero hindi pa rin nakabuo ng majority signatories. Kaya it is clear as day. My ruling is in motion. At mas lalong lumakas ang pangangailangang i-contempt siya dahil even after the March 5, 2024 contempt citation upheld on March 12, 2024, Quiboloy has continued to brazenly taunt and make a mockery of the committee and consequently the Philippine Senate by releasing through his supporters a list of 17 conditions before he appears.